right, here we are at this furnace here. It's having problems kicking on. I diagnosed it as this is pretty much worn out. The bearings are burning out. So if you turn it on, see how it's just barely turning? It's no good anymore. I mean, you can try to, yeah, see, it's done. So, draft inducer motor is toast. So it will not even start up without a new one, and that's what I have over here. Brand new one. So we're gonna go ahead and get this one out and install this one in, and we should be able to have heat. Here we go. All right, so first we're gonna start working on taking the screws out. This is what mounts it down. These screws right here. Okay. All right. Also, let's get the, they got it twist tied, but we're gonna have to get that apart. And well, since it's trash anyway, I can just cut those, be done with it. So we got the mounting screws off. Now we got to get separate the flue pipe. Just got to get the flue pipe screws off of that, and then we can move along. Okay. Should be this last one. Everything should drop. There it goes, and there it goes. Let's have a little exam. Oh yeah, that thing was toast, all rusted out. Yeah, it's done. All right. Oh, it's had its day. All right, and we'll take off the little filter. It's worn out. Let's take that off. All right. Okay, check the configuration. This is like this. Boom, like that. Get it kind of lined up there. There we go. All right, we got that on. And we're just gonna take this and get it mounted up in there. Let me see here. Put that camera there where we can. Okay. And that last one. All right, solid in. All right, now we're gonna get this back on. get it mounted on. So, all right, back on. Now, damn. It's kind of hard to hold it and drill it at the same time. Let's try again. Looks like I'm gonna have to drill some holes first. This won't go through automatic. So let's get a drill bit. Now we should better let's put our first screw in so it don't move on me anymore. Alright, boom, that's it. Alright. All right, there it is. All right, so we plug that in there. Let's go ahead and get one of these filters. Put it in. The thing about filters is you want to make sure they're fresh because that preserves the furnace itself. Helps it from getting overheated and clogged up, where you have to do a lot of other maintenance. So we want that in there. All right, now for the test. Look at that go. Perfect spin. Now it's running like it's supposed to. Nice and smooth, nice and clean. Everything should fire up now. Here's the igniter. Should have gas any second. There it goes. I hear click. Boom. We have it. We're rolling. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Sounds so nice and clean, so quiet now. Like it's supposed to. There we go. That's how you put it in the draft inducer motor. Alright, so it's rolling. Went in and take these wires up too. They were all exposed. Just the extra ones are up here. And, you know, just kind of put that together a little better. Everything seems to be working good. Nice warm air.